Welcome back, Clover Kids. We're excited to continue our topic on pollution. In our last video, we made a mock oil spill and then asked you guys to complete a few challenges to overcome the oil spill. Today, we're going to be making homemade recycled paper. I'm excited for this activity. It also comes from the big book of Clover Bud Activities from Ohio State University Extension. So let's get started. We can help our environment many different ways, and one of those ways is to limit our waste and trash use that goes into landfills. One way to do that is by recycling. There are many different items that can be recycled. Can you guys maybe think of a few different items that can be recycled or reused? Maybe discuss with somebody next to you, and once you're ready, let's head to the kitchen and get started. To make recycled paper, we will need unusable pieces of newspaper, printer paper, or construction paper, a blender or a hand mixer. We will need cream of tartar, a large bowl, a large cake pan, water, wax paper. We'll need some dry towels, and then also a screen that can fit inside of the pan. What I have here is a plastic needlework canvas. You can also use a pantyhose stretched over a clothes hanger as well. Step 1 is to tear the paper into tiny pieces or strips and then put them inside of the bowl. Fill the bowl with water and let the paper soak for a few minutes. You can use your hands to mix and tear the pieces further until it almost looks like oatmeal. Add 2 tablespoons of cream or tartar to the bowl of wet paper and then carefully dump into a blender or use a hand mixer to beat until it is thick and pulpy. Add a thin layer of water to the bottom of your baking pan and then add your screen on top. Slowly pour the mixture of pulpy paper over top of the screen. Carefully lift the screen, counting the pulpy mixture on top. Be sure there are no gaps on your screen by smoothing out the pulpy paper. Let as much water drip off as possible into the pan. Again, smoothing out the paper to avoid any holes. Lay the screen on top of several dish towels and cover the top with wax paper. Gently press down and squeeze out any extra moisture onto the towels. Here I move it to the side and repeat the process. Carefully peel back the wax paper and place the screen in a spot where it can dry over the next few days.
Okay, so it's been a couple of days and I think our paper is dry. So when you think your paper is completely dry, you can gently try and peel it off of the screen. Do this one-handed. So here is our paper. Just like that, homemade paper. Mine has a little bit of texture to it because of the way the screen was, but if you use something like a pantyhose, you might not have as many bumps on it. So then you guys can go ahead and take a picture of your homemade paper. Maybe you can write on it, draw something that you really enjoyed about your paper. We'd love to see all of your cool artwork with your homemade recycled paper. So we hope you guys are staying healthy and we look forward to seeing you guys soon.